So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another vlog video, number 5 for you guys. A lot of WRX in and out this week, so I'm gonna go over some stuff that we've done to each customer's car that came in this week. Starting off with Lopez's car. So Lopez's car is pretty modified. We're gonna be doing a build series for him too in the next few weeks. So you'll see a lot of our VBs that's fully modified. I'm gonna go through a whole mod list with you. So for those that wanna do a similar build to like Lopez's, Adrian's, or ours, I'm gonna go over a build sheet, go over the parts, and give you some beautiful cinematic videos. So Lopez today, he got our new V2 grill in crystal black silica. This will be coming in a few weeks. As you can see, it looks hella aggressive. I'm gonna grab the stock one for reference real quick. He originally had the OEM with our overlays and it was gray. So with the V2, with the mesh style look, color match, it looks perfect. Look at the color match, perfect, beautiful. So more aggressive. It'll look good with the brace bar, which he will get and add the white brace bar. And then as you can see with the splitter and the V2 lip, oh my God, looks crazy in the front. He's also gonna get the hood scoop too, which is coming later, guys. That's it for Lopez's car. We'll get into his car later in another video. Behind him, we have another customer. BB just pulled in, has a full Aero kit, World Rally Blue. He just came in for the splitter V1 with the white liner. So S-style front lip paired with a splitter. So when you're scraping stuff, you're gonna protect everything because this is made out aluminum. We cut this in-house, guys, so, and we powder coat it in-house. So this will protect your pretty much investments, but I do recommend if you do go over 120, it is required, guys, to have splitter rods, okay? Because at like 120, this is gonna create a lot of downforce, okay? So make sure you get rods, okay? If you do go over 120, you need rods or else you're gonna break this, guys. So other than that, customers plan not to go over 120, so he'll be good. And then going to the sides, he has our V1 side skirts. And towards the back, what does he have? He has the AFD edition, our AFD WRX edition, rear diffuser, again with the white liner. He also has the V1 Duckbill, OEM style. So a lot of OEM plus, but with a little bit more aggressive diffuser in the end. Super clean. And then, yeah, we just finished up, me and Jerry just finished up. So we're gonna head out and pull in our third VB today. See, one day is a lot of VB, guys. So what do we have outside, Jerry? Red visor. So we have a VB in here for a axle back installation. Jerry broke our Elantra front lip, guys. Jerry. Please show him. Show him. Put the camera over there, Jerry. Show him, Jerry. Show him, Jerry. Jerry was driving. I don't know what he hit, but he smacked something, and look how naked the car looks. Jerry, how do you even take care of this car? That's so. Look, what is this, Jerry? Dude, I'm gonna question what that is, bro. That's so. You can't put that on camera. That look like a dirty milkshake, strawberry milkshake. But as you can see, the Elantra looks super naked without the front lip. Our lip definitely makes the car pop. You know, accentuates the whole front end with the lip, but. Again, thanks a lot, Jerry. So now we're gonna go get a new lip on later. But in the meantime, yeah, we're done with these two cars. We're gonna pull them back out and then we're gonna pull in the other VB. So Jerry, you wanna take the red one? I mean the blue one? I'm with the black one. All right, guys, so we have what color is this? Ignition red. Sorry, guys. It's always lunchtime. So every time I see I legit forgot. Yeah, every time I see a ignition red and Brian's car, makes me kind of sad because we really do want the color back. I know we said after Superfest our wrap is coming off, but our owner decided maybe keep the wrap a little bit longer. We don't know yet, but the red is so nice, and it's gonna look super good with our axle back. So we're gonna be installing his axle back. As you can see earlier, the car sounds like a little baby, you know? So we're gonna wake the car up right now with our axle back. All right, guys, so we'll go ahead and get started by putting the car on the lift. These are all the axle backs. That's all we have left, guys. That 300 that came in, this is all we have left. But these are our polished tips. For those that want the burnt tips and our chrome, black chrome, diamond black chrome tips, which are coming in. They'll be here later, so make sure to get these in stock. And also, since we're talking about, look at all those wings we have in the back. So Jerry, let's just do a giveaway, Jerry. So one lucky winner, guys, in this video. Comment below anything you guys want, okay? Comment below. Let us know what's your favorite mod on the VB. Just comment below, what is your favorite mod? And let's change that. What is the first mod you would do on your VB if you have a VB? Or if you don't have a VB already, or if you plan to get a VB, what would be the first mod to do? For me, I'll get exhaust first, because this car, like I said, sounds like a little baby without the axle back or any kind of exhaust system. But yeah, axle back will be a good starter mod for me. But anyways, yeah, comment below, guys. So let's go ahead and get this car up, and then we're gonna finish up this car right now. put everything in already, me and Jerry. The bracket that shows the lettering shows inside, so if it's on the right side, it's on the right side of the car. Left side, left side. Put the tips in. Again, don't tighten anything. See? Now I have so much adjustment. So if you want to put it this way, this way, this way, this way, all up to you, okay? The critical point is tighten this middle bracket first. So let's say I want to stay like this. I will tighten the middle bracket first, and then the tips, and then the back. So this is the very last, guys. Do this, the very, very last, okay? So me and Jerry can start installing now. All right, guys, we just finished adjusting the exhaust. Got this side perfect, got this side perfect. Now we're ready for the cold start. Not really cold start, but as you can see, the tips look amazing with their logo on the side. Again, burnt tips, options available, polished, and we have the new diamond black that's coming out soon, which I'll just show you right now. Actually, they're packing up right now, but we'll show you guys another time. So Jared's gonna get you guys a low revs, and we'll get the car back to the customers. So hopefully he enjoys it. Guys, if you guys get installed by us, by me and Jerry, you know, we always take care of your parts, you know, make it look shiny, polished. I'm excited to get this car to customer, and me and Jerry's gonna get lunch, so we'll see you guys later.
Wait. Yeah, you almost forgot about this, huh?
Hey, we almost got free muffin.
Yeah, so that's why. That's my first. I'll take this one then.
I'm gonna show you guys the cars right away before we even start today's journey. BB, we have a GR86. We have 2 more BBs right in the front. Tonight we're pretty much gonna cruise to round 1 or Buffalo Wild Wings and meet up with Justin. We're gonna hang out with friends today. It has been a while since we've done this. Last time this was with Panda, right?
and Justin.
Panda and Justin, so we got more people out.
And Travis.
And Travis too. Adrian, the other gang, can't make it tonight because, you know, Adrian got work all the time. I don't know who works at like 8 p.m. every day, bro. But anyways, the car is at Elite Wraps right now. We're gonna pull the car out for you guys, and then it's gonna be a fun experience today. So that, I think, Jerry, last time we did this was with Inferno and Cheeks, CB Cheeks. We're hungry. Jerry's gonna be piloting the van today. Get you guys some rollers, exhaust clips, and some poles. So see you guys in a bit. Yeah.
Hey, did you know you were in the last video?
Yeah, I saw.
Did you watch
it? Yeah.
You see?
All right, guys, cool start.
Yeah, Jeff's hair was like 3 inches tall.
Alright guys, we just arrived at Buffalo Wild Wings, and then everyone arrived in peace. So actually, we did a pull next to the CHP officer, undercover apparently, and then only a homie in the GR86 didn't get pulled over. No one got pulled over, but he was with him the whole time, and we kind of went off. But that's fun. So we'll go ahead and get some food right now.
Smells like in here.
I'm here for the shots.
I ain't come back here. Smells like sweat. Smells nasty.
I'm trying to figure out how many tables. Jerry, you grab it loud. What are you doing, Jerry?
Jerry, where you got?
Hey, all the tables.
We're gonna be locked.
Bro.
Oh my God.
Jerry. Jerry. What the fuck?
Yeah, he's a good boy.
I think he's thank you so much.
Strawberry lemonade?
I want to be able to do more than one.
Yeah, Jerry's a gooder boy.
Oh, right here. Right here.
Damn, he's gonna get lean.
No, what do you mean? It's pineapple juice.
All right, cheers, y'all. Cheers. That's for like good.
I don't know.
I never tasted this one, but I know it tastes good.
Well, where's the sauce? Like, not even on the side?
Tastes like.
Dude, it tastes really sweet.
It's nasty.
Julian over there, he got chicken nuggets over there. Look at that.
My boy got chicken nuggets. He could have gone to McDonald's and got like a 40 piece for half that.
With no beer.
Alright guys, so we just finished dinner. Is it kind of dinner? I guess it's dinner. Buffalo Wild Wings, 3 out of 10. It's okay, not too bad. But we should all formally introduce ourselves. right now. One by one.
Albert. That's not your name.
Alright, this is Albert, guys. You know Albert drives Sapphire Blue. And then you know Justin already. Alright. This is Claudio's. You can introduce yourself.
I'm Claudio. I own the World Rally Blue right there. Don't look at the front. Don't look at the front. It's not complete yet.
Alright, Jerry, show the front.
No, Jerry, no. So yeah, right now I'm just running the V2 side skirts, V1 spats. I'm gonna be running the S2 front lip and carbon, and then the V2 splitter. Right now I'm running just a cob axle port on E50. Ooh. And also I'm running the V2 ducktail and a Remark exhaust, single exit.
I'll introduce him. All right. So this right here, this is Julian. His Instagram is WRX Julian, but replace the A with the X. Oh, about to get ran over.
Go to the way.
So he's running he's got the red one over there. He's got a limited. It's manual. Right now he's running it's the V1 STI wing. He's gonna be running what is that? The window visors. He's riding,
bro.
Yeah. Right now he's running E30 right now, so he pushed 3 gallons of E. So he's fast. He races E01.
My name is Christian. I'm from Barstow, and I drive a 2023 GR86. Haven't done nothing much to it, just some gram lights. Ordered the unequal length header, and for now, trying to get some lows. So coils next, and hopefully some AFD goodies pretty soon.
He has a better wheel setup than Jerry right now.
We need
Way better.
and he has headers too.
Yeah, he has headers.
When are we getting headers, huh?
Yeah, a little bit drop, but I think the mini setup is what we need.
Hi, I'm Jesus. This is my black WRX. There you go. Oh, I got full Aeroflow Aero Kit, sport grill. Oh yeah, that part's broken. Wheels are Avid ones. It's an alright fitment. Other than that, just pretty stock. Just cat back. Oh no, axle back. That's it. Feature mods, probably intake, top mount, maybe like a J-Pog.
Check Albert, bro.
Oh, you already do Ricky Bobby, bro. Do Ricky Bobby. Be like,
The camera there.
do Ricky Bobby. Be like,
Alright guys, we're about to head out right now, and we're gonna finish our cruise up tonight. It's been a fun night, and then you're gonna enjoy these B-rolls and cinematics coming up. See you guys later.
Why is no one going past me?
Alright guys, we just arrived at our Photoshop spot, which is our famous spot, which you will see in previous videos and future videos. The whole gang's here right now. We lost Julian. I think he got lost. We'll text him right now. But
I sent him the address.
Okay. All the boys here. We're gonna take some photo shots right now. Photo shoot, and then after that we're gonna head out because it's Monday night, guys. So it's pretty fun, you know, with the car community. We meet a lot of new people. You know, so Christian came all the way from Barstow to meet tonight. So shout out to him. You know, appreciate driving out. And, yeah, we're gonna get some photos, and that's it for today's little short vlog video. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, because we're trying to do more vlogs in the future. So comment below if you guys want to see more vlogs like this, and then make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.